have the big and beautiful turkey. Turkeys are known for their colorful feathers and can be quite curious. Male turkeys are called toms, and they can puff up their feathers to impress the ladies. Did you know that turkeys can fly short distances? Finally, let's hop over to the cute bunnies. Bunnies have long ears and fluffy tails. They love to munch on carrots and fresh greens. Did you know that bunnies can jump up to 3 feet high? They are very playful and enjoy digging tunnels. Thank you for joining me on this fun farm adventure. Farm animals are not only fascinating, but also play an important role in our lives. Remember